Is pudding and marshmallows and pineapple a salad? The internet calls what I'm about to show you Watergate Salad. It's pistachio pudding, some other stuff in a bowl. I don't know if it's salad, but it's delicious. So give me a comment if you try it, if you've ever had it, if you know of any other pudding slash jello salads that aren't salads. Starting off strong with some off-brand whipped topping, 2 containers of that, 2 boxes of pistachio pudding, 2 cans of crushed pineapple, some maraschino cherries, some pistachios, and a bag of mini marshmallows. We start by dumping the cans of crushed pineapple with the juice into a deep pan. We're going to follow that up with the 2 containers of Cool Whip, top it off with the pudding, and then I'm going to use a hand mixer to combine it all together. It only takes 30 seconds maybe to get it all combined. After you get that done, we're going to go ahead and transfer that out of the pot and into our nice fancy bowl, which I am putting marshmallows in first and then putting the pudding over top. We're going to mix that together, and then I'm going to use my little hand mill to crush the nuts up to be a more appropriate size. And I'm using a strainer to kind of put that dust on top. Next, I drained and took the stems off of a handful of maraschino cherries, and then I just cut them in half and kind of place them around the dish. I'm not doing a ton of maraschino cherries, just cutting them up so that they're a little bit more of a manageable size. Put them in there, and then after we get them all cut up and put in, we'll mix it around a bit. I dressed the top of this up with a couple of leftover cherries and some of this mixed nut ice cream topping. Eat well, be well.